Time now for your forewarned weather with Nate Larsen.
Welcome back. All right, Nate, it seems like we enjoyed kind of a long spring with some nice weather, but this weekend we're getting some warm weather.
Downright hot, yeah, outside earlier this afternoon. Nice to be inside where it's nice and air conditioned. Maybe you got out early like Chris Williams did. He was out looking at some of the lavender fields. This is near Mona, Utah. Out near the lavender fields early this morning. Him and Scott up sending beautiful drone shots in up near the Mount Nebo Loop. Beautiful conditions up in the higher elevations as well. This showing off the Payson Lake area, so beautiful conditions there. Temperatures, I mentioned them getting downright hot. 93 has been our high today in Salt Lake City. 87 in Provo, near 90, 89 in Logan, 82 in Rock Springs. We've had 103 in St. George, 98 in Lake Powell, Blanding 92. So hot temperatures, very typical of summertime. Our average high, we're typically right around 90, 91 degrees for Salt Lake right now. We do have a triple-digit day in the forecast. We'll show you when our first average triple-digit day is July 7th, so we're not far from that, being the 1st of July now. Last year, we had that record hot summer, all-time record hottest ever, 34 triple-digit days. Usually we only have 4 in Salt Lake. We're expecting, sorry, that was for yesterday, but we have 100 degrees in the forecast for Monday. Headlines then, very hot and dry conditions are going to continue. Again, triple-digit temperatures, especially for southern Utah, about 4 degrees within record highs down in southern Utah, so extremely hot temperatures. Fire danger, of course, is going to increase with these very hot temperatures. We're also looking at increasing winds. The fuels, fortunately, haven't dried out as much as they otherwise would have this time of year, so we don't have super dry fuels out there, but we still can have fires spread very quickly if they do form with the hot temperatures and some blustery winds in the forecast, and even a few isolated storms as we're dealing with a high pressure ridge that's scooping up just a little bit of moisture with it that's coming in from this westerly flow you see out of the Pacific Northwest. High pressure to the south and west, you can see that. The ridge doesn't go anywhere really for the next couple of days. In fact, we hit its peak as far as its strength or amplitude on Monday. This is 6 o'clock. There's a storm system, a weak low, that's going to pass mainly to the north and east of us, just clipping us with a little bit of moisture. We'll see partly cloudy skies. This is just in time for the 4th. We'll see partly cloudy, maybe a slight chance of a storm, but winds are going to be an issue. Might impact some of the firework displays as well if we are seeing those with the 4th of July with some of the winds we're expecting. So where's the rain? Yeah, it's off to the east of us, mainly east of the Rocky Mountains, east of the Divide. For us, the models still show there's a slight chance of a storm threat for tomorrow across northern Utah, but I think we'll mainly see just some high clouds out there. Highs tomorrow, 96, 97 or so for Salt Lake, 108 for St. George. Record is 112, I believe. So very hot conditions, not far from record highs. 109 on Monday. For the 4th of July, 107. Winds are picking up Tuesday, Wednesday across southern Utah, even as the storm passes over northern Utah. And we're going to stay in the triple digits, which 100 degrees is an average high for St. George right now. So this is pretty typical for them this time of year. Wasatch back 97 for our higher Wasatch Front, 100 degrees on Monday. Should be our first triple-digit day of the season. 92 on Tuesday. We drop with that front passing by. It'll bring a few clouds around, mainly some breezy winds. 96 on Thursday. Upper 90s again Friday, Saturday. So get a little bit of relief Tuesday, Wednesday, but otherwise, any way you look at it, we're going to be hot, hot, hot. Sarah?